Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Smart Tech Effects. I accidentally made my Raspberry Pi a FM tuner and that was fun. So I'm going to share that story and also show you how you can turn your Raspberry Pi to an FM tuner. This is RTL2832, a software defined radio unit. It can be plugged into any computer using the USB port, and also it has an antenna that can be connected to it. So I was going to use this in order to connect this with a satellite and to get some weather information. And for that I was going to use my Raspberry Pi 5. You can easily source the RTL2832 and even the Raspberry Pi, and I bought them from AliExpress. The links are mentioned in the description. First you get to connect the antenna to the RTL2832 and then connect the RTL2832 to a USB port of the Raspberry Pi. You have to keep the antenna outside so that it will receive good signal strength. So I was doing all these considering the fact that I would be able to connect this RTL2832 to a satellite and then get the weather information. So I powered up the Raspberry Pi and was doing the configuration that was necessary to get the satellite signals received to my Raspberry Pi. You can see whether the satellite receiver is detected by simply using a ls usb command, as you can see in the screen. Don't worry about the steps, because I will be putting step-by-step guide on how to configure the Raspberry Pi to a radio tuner will be put on the description. This is the list of software and hardware I used originally to get the signal reception, but now we are going to use the same in order to capture the FM signal so you can turn it to a radio station. In this video I will not be installing NOAA APT or W2IMG, because I will not be dealing with the weather signals of the NOAA satellite. I will do it in the next video. So when you do the configuration, you get this application called GRQX, which is doing the magic for you in order to make your Raspberry Pi a radio tuner. Once you load this application, you get a I/O settings page on which you can select the RTL2832 that you have inserted and can provide default settings. Settings are mentioned in the description. With that configuration, you will get this screen, and on this screen you can tune to your favorite radio channel. You can type in the frequency of your favorite radio station on the right hand window, and then you can listen to it. Make sure you select the stereo FM as the modulation technique and enjoy your favorite music. So in the next video I will be connecting this with the satellite. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. See you soon.